Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my version of homemade burgers. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for further videos. So to get started, I'm using some minced mutton. I've grinded some fresh onions. I've also grinded some fresh ginger, fresh garlic and some fresh green chilies. I'm using some gram flour. I'm also using some coriander powder and some cumin powder, and I've used 1.5 teaspoons of salt, however you can use salt to your taste. I've got some fresh bell peppers, you can choose the colour of your choice. I've grinded 1.5 fresh tomatoes. I've juiced 1 fresh lemon, and I'm using a handful of fresh coriander. So to get started, there are a few ingredients that are required to go initially. So I'm adding in the onions, and then I'm adding in the coriander, the cumin powder, the salt, the green chilies, the garlic and the ginger paste, and also the juice of the lemon. And just give that a good mix so that you can combine all the ingredients together. And then you need to get a grinder and grind the fresh coriander and your bell peppers. And then you need to just add that in to your mince. And then just give that a good mix again. And then just add in your tomato. You can obviously grind your tomatoes, or you can even chop your tomatoes finely. And add in the gram flour and give that a good mix for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then I've refrigerated my mixture for about half an hour in the fridge. And then I took it out about 10 minutes before I was going to fry it. So I heated a large griddle pan on high flame, and I drizzled some oil on top for about 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. And then I made my patties. And this is how big I've made my patties. And then you just put it onto your griddle pan on high heat for about a minute or so, and then reduce the heat to about medium to high for about 5 to 6 minutes, because I'm going to let each side cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. And then once I flipped it over, I just added some cheese, and obviously it can be cheese of your own choice. And then just let that cook for about 5 to 6 minutes and let the cheese melt away. So there you go guys, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and give it a thumbs up. Thank you.